going to put it on, guys. Here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's gonna be unboxing my new Apple Watch new Series 6 GPS. Here you go, guys. I just got this in the mail today and I've been expecting for this since Christmas, December 24, but it delivered just today. So let's begin, guys. This is my first watch, so let's open. Oh yeah, there you go, guys. This is a gift for myself. I can't wait, guys. So here it is. It's just easy to open. Here. This is the pink sand color. I like pink. Here it is. Oh. This, guys. So this is the strap. Here. I ordered the pink sand sport band. Here. It's hard to see. Yeah, but there it is. Here. Ta-da! I'm just so excited. This is a gift to me and from me. I got the 44mm sport strap band. There you go. There you go, guys. Here. Also the Northern Blue sport band. There you go. This, guys, I ordered this one separate and it came this one first. Yeah, so I had extra strap here. I got a Northern Blue. I like pink and blue. Here it is. So let's open the watch. Here you go, guys. Ta-da! Oh, fell off. Here it is, guys. It's 44mm. Yeah. I think the cover is just made of paper. And I don't know how you take it off. Oh, I think you're just gonna slide it like this. I'll do that later. So I don't know what accessories it comes with it. Yeah. And it says here, designed by Apple California. Right here. So, and it's a charger. But this watch, it doesn't come with a charger brick and only like a USB, but I have those kind of thing for charging, so I don't need to worry about it. Yeah, here. There's a charger, guys. Here. Just easy to open. Yeah, it just comes with the magnetic charger, but it doesn't come with the charging brick, like, you know, it has to be put it here. But I have tons of those. So yeah, this is the charger, guys. Yes. So let's open this, guys. My gold aluminum with pink sand sport band. I think just slide. There you go. So at the back here, I think this is designed to read your blood oxygen or something, and this probably gonna the way you charge. Here, the spot, just like it's a magnetic, guys. Yeah, this is the way you charge. So let's turn it on. I don't know if there's any battery. Yeah, there's a battery, guys. I'm going to try to put the strap on. Just gonna slide it. It's just easy to put it on. Yeah, just slide it. Okay. I'm going to put it on, guys. Here. Let's try to set up, guys, and I'm gonna start pairing my Apple Watch to my phone. Gonna start pairing, guys. So it's all done, guys. All set up. And here it is. So that's it for today's video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Have a nice day. Bye, guys. And Happy New Year.